Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export a Clipchamp video, of course, in the Clipchamp application. So first of all, of course, if you have the Clipchamp already downloaded into your PC, that will be great. You'll have just to go and open it up. But of course, if you don't have it, you'll have to go and download it through any browser you are currently using. Of course, if you have Windows 11, that will be sure you have already Clipchamp downloaded per default. Windows 10, some of the users has it, some of the users don't. But of course, if you have it, you can just click at the Windows key or click here or click at the Windows key on your keyboard, then type Clipchamp. And as you can see, here is it. Click on it and it normally should be starting. So here, let's just wait until it actually starts. And now you'd like to actually log in into your account if you have an account. But if you don't have an account, just go and create one, then log in into it. And of course, you can actually subscribe with them if you want, because it will give you more features. But if you don't want to, you can just use the simple free plan. So here we can actually go to one of my recent videos that I was editing, or you can create a new one. So let's say an example of this one. I would like to export this one. So of course you can even add whatever edits you want. You can add whatever edits. You can actually add some templates, music, you can just edit your video however you want. And of course, as you can see, I have the export button disabled now. Why? Because I have nothing on here. So of course, first of all, we'll have to add it. We can actually drag it, or we can click here to add the timeline. As you can see now, once we add it, we'll be able to export it. Why? Because like we have something to export now. So of course, if we want to export this, we can just go here and click. And as you can see, they're actually asking you what do you want to actually export, the quality of the exportation. As you can see, your video will be exported as an MP4 file. Make sure to know that. And of course, here you can just select whatever you want, like let's say an example of this quality. And of course, as you can see, you can export it wherever you want. So of course, if you want to keep editing, you can just go back and you'll be good to go. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.